We have the very gorgeous looking Aishwarya Lakshmi with us. I just love what you're wearing, Aishwarya.
Thank you. Thanks.
So usually, all girls would want to dress up for something Western or something. So how did you choose sari, and what is the specialty of it?
No, I didn't feel like dressing up, but I wanted to respect the events that is Saima. So I thought sari would do both. You know, it's not dressing up too much, plus it's respecting the event. So
Okay, actually, you're carrying a very natural look today, as I can see, even makeup wise. So, how are you as a person? And when you're at home, are you like very girly, or are you like very casual, like being in pajamas? What kind of dress style would you usually follow?
it's I can't tell you.
So, are you very moody?
Moody as a person?
Yes.
Yes, I am. I am very much. I think most of the actors are.
That's also there. That's
Yeah.
also there.
Most of the people are. Most of the people I know are moody. Yeah.
Okay, what would you love to eat when you're like feeling extremely moody or low?
Anything with chocolate actually.
Oh, you're a chocolate lover. Okay, so any places that you want to see in Doha, or anything you want to shop, anything on your list?
Yeah, actually, I was looking forward to see the new history museum. So I've seen enough pictures of it. So I really want to go in and see what that is.
Okay. For all you Malayalam fans, one quick message, because I know they adore you.
Yeah. So I'm nobody to give a message, but I want to say that these are just very much trying times for us in Kerala. We are facing the floods again, but it has somehow made us all, unite and bring us the human side of us. So ഐ നോ ഒരുപാട് വിഷമങ്ങളും കഷ്ടങ്ങളും ഒക്കെ നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും ഒരുമിച്ച് ഫേസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഒക്കെ മാറും. ഒരുപാട് സമാധാനമുള്ള ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ വീണ്ടും വരും. That's the only message I want to give. I think that's the only thing that matters also now.
Yes. As Saima says, we all have come together as one family, not just for media or not just for fashion. I think we all should stand by each other as brothers, as we should show our brotherhood at such hard times for each other. So, with celebrities coming forward and giving such messages strongly, I'm sure we will recover from anything and everything which affects us.
Yeah, I think we can't do anything about the floods right now because it's nature's way of showing us that karma has its way of coming back to us. So all we can do is survive it. So I think adipo celebrities, like, it doesn't matter who says what, but yeah, we'll survive it, and whoever keeps up the morale up is the best.
Thank you so much. It's lovely to have you here, and I didn't just spot a heroine here, didn't just spot an actress here, I also spotted a great human. Lovely to have met you, Ashwin.
Thank you so much.